Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these soft locks. Due to this style being so popular, we weren't able to find the Bobby Boss New Lock brand, so my client ordered this brand from Amazon. I think it's pronounced Niseyo Braids. She got 6 packs of their hair and 2 packs of spring twist hair. So the base for this style would be individual braids. You just want to go ahead and braid your hair or your client's hair in individual braids all around, whether it be in a side part, a middle part, however you want it. To start off the lock, I'll take my crochet needle and put it through the hole, as you see me doing, opening it up. And then I'll take my crochet needle and I'll put it right through the braid. I'll take the lock and put it in there, close the latch, pull it right through. And you're gonna make a knot around the braid, not the whole lock, just the braid itself. Because if you put the whole lock in with the braid, it might be bulky, and we just want it to be very seamless and look very neat. So just do as you see me doing. This hairstyle is very easy. I hope this video is very self-explanatory. It's literally just 3 steps to this style, and I hope you learned something, even though there's like tons of videos out there on how to do these, but I hope you're able to learn something from my way. So you're just gonna take the spring twist hair and just wrap it all the way down till there's nothing left to wrap. My method for wrapping is to leave space every time I wrap. I wouldn't wrap too tightly or so close together. So let's say your hair or your client's hair is longer than the spring twist hair. Don't cut it, don't tie a knot, don't burn it. Just keep wrapping until you can't wrap anymore. The hair is very clingy and it will just blend in with the new lock hair. I just froze it for y'all to see. Don't tie a knot or nothing. Just keep wrapping until you can't wrap no more. So the steps to achieving this style is very repetitive. It's not much to it. It's very easy and quick. Her hair, she requested it for it to be very full, so it took me a total of 5 to 6 hours to complete this. We used 6 packs of hair and 2 packs of spring twist hair. So I hope this video helps you be able to do your hair or other people's hair. So we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Please follow me on my hair page at Styledbypk for more content. And I'll try to be posting more. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.